Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So as you can see, I am packing and it's time to go back to Canada. And here are a few tips that I want to give all the students who are going to Canada for the first time. And I wish I knew this thing before leaving to Canada for the first time. So without any delays, guys, let's get started with the video. So guys, first and the most important thing that you should take care of is your medicines. So get all your prescribed and non-prescribed medicine before you leave for Canada, because the medicines are difficult to find, the same medicine, plus they are expensive in Canada. And next thing is, if you have any dental issues or any issues or eye issues, just get it sorted over here, no matter how much it's costing, because once you are there in Canada, it will be costing way more. Even if you have your insurance, it will be costing you your time, your energy, and your mental peace. So get it done here itself in India. And now coming to the point number 3, get all your clothes, whatever you want here in India. Only winter clothes and winter shoes that you want, you have to buy it from Canada, because they are really good and they are meant for Canadian weather. But from here, you can buy everything like t-shirt, your jackets, like your casual jackets, your shoes, your jeans, your track pants, your undergarments. All these things are way better over here and way cheaper in India. So go ahead, get all your clothings that you need for Canada in India itself. And if you need some thermals also, thermals are way good in Decathlon. So go ahead over there and get some thermals from there itself. Coming to the next point, now you have all your clothes, your medicines, your checkups are done. Now you have to get all the cooking equipments that you need, like basic plates, cups, glasses, spoons, even masalas, your small pan, non-stick pan, your cooker, a small sized cooker. It will be really helpful for you, because definitely guys, you can't buy everything over there, because a normal non-stick pan costs at least 20 to $40 in Canada. So it's a lot of money to spend when you are first landing in Canada. So don't do that. Don't repeat my mistake. So get the non-stick pan and your cooker here itself. Coming to the eye care, like if you have specs, do get an extra 1 or 2 pairs with you, because even if it's costing you 3,000 rupees over here, it will be costing you $200 in Canada. So don't do that. Get your prescription specs from here itself. I know people who have done that and they still had to pay at least $100 even after their insurance covered around 50% or something. Now the last one, and this is very important, get all your documents with you, your college offer letter, your GIC payment receipt, your fee payment receipt, your visa, your passport, and all the necessary travel documents that are needed like to go there. So do not forget anything. Carry extra copies of your documents before you leave India, like extra bundle. Just keep it in one bag, keep a copy with you, and keep the original safe with you, because if you lose your passport or your any travel document, it will be a very big issue for you. So at least keep 2 or 3 copy of each documents. So guys, this was it. I know it was a very short video, very small video, and this video was specially for all the students who are going there for the first time. Don't uselessly load too many things, but do take care of all the things that I have said right now. Clothes are really expensive, medicines are really expensive, medical care, medical system is very expensive over there. So do take care of that. Keep 2 3 copies of your documents, and you will be good to go. And all I can say is all the best to you guys. And if you like this video, go ahead, hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.